Hello friends. The subject of data structure, unit number 1, hashing. The topic will be covered up in this lecture. First, hashing and second, collision in hashing. First, hash function. Hash function take the data item as an input and return a small integer value as an output. Second, the small integer value is called a hash value. Third, hash value of the data item is then used as index for sorting it into the hash table. Next topic, the types of hash function. There are various types of hash function available in such as first mid-square hash function, second division hash function, third floating hash function. It's depend on user which hash function is want to use. Collision in hashing. In hashing, hash function is used to compute the hash function value for a key. Second, hash value then used as index to store the key in the hash table. Next, the hash function may return the same hash value for two or more keys when the hash value of a key map to an already occupied bucket of the hash table. It is called as hash collision. Collision resolution technique. In hashing, collision resolution techniques are classified as collision resolution technique. There are two classified. First, separate chaining and next, open chaining. Separate chaining is open hashing and open addressing is closed hashing. The open addressing is their subtype linear probing, quadric probing, and double hashing. First, separate chaining, hashing with chaining open hashing. To handle the collision, take a linked list to the slot for which collision occurs. Then the new key is then inserted in the linked list. This linked list to the slot as per light chain. That is why technique is called as separate chaining. Collision resolution techniques for search. In worst case, all the keys might map to the same bucket of the hash table. In such a case, all the keys will be present in a single linked list. The sequential search will have to be performed on the linked list to perform the search. So time take for searching in worst case is ON. For deletion technique, in worst case the key might have to be searched for first and then deleted. In worst case, time take for searching is ON. So time take for deletion in worst case is ON. Advantages. First, simple to implement. hash table never fill up, we can always add more element to the chain. Less sensitive to the hash function or load factors. It is mostly used when it is unknown how many and how frequently key may be inserted or deleted. Disadvantages. Cache performance of chaining is not good as key are sorted using a linked list. Open addressing provide better cache performance as everything is sorted in the same table. Wastage of space. Some parts of hash table are never used. If the chain becomes long, its search time can become ON in worst case. Uses extra space for links. Next example, using the hash function key mode is 7, insert the following sequence of key in the hash table: 15, 776, 85, 92, 73, 101. Use separate chaining technique for collision resolution. First, draw an empty hash table for given hash function. The possible range of the hash value is 0, 6. So draw an empty hash consists of 7 bucket as. Next, insert the given key in the hash table one by one. The first key to be inserted in the hash table equal to 50. Bucket of the hash table which k 50 MAPS equal to 50 mod 7 equal to 1. So key 50 will be inserted. Bucket minus 1 of the hash table is as. Next, the next key to be inserted in the hash table equal to 700. Bucket of hash table which is 700 maps equal to 700 mod 7 equal to 0. So key 700 will be inserted in the bucket of minus 0 of the hash table. Next, the insert key to be inserted in the hash table. 76. Bucket of the hash table to which key 76 map equal to 76 mod 7 equal to 6. So key 76 will be inserted in bucket 6 of the hash table. Next, the key will be inserted in the hash table 85. The bucket of the hash table to which the key 85 maps will mod 7 equal to 1. Since the bucket is 1 is already occupied, so collision occurs. Separate chaining handle the collision by creating a linked list to bucket 1. So K85 will be inserted in bucket 1 of the hash table. Next, key will be inserted in the hash table is 92. Bucket of the hash table to which key 92 maps the mod 7 equal to 1. The bucket 1 is already occupied. So collision occurs. Separate chaining handle the collision by creating a linked list to a bucket 1. So key is 92 will be inserted in bucket 1 of the hash table has. Next, key will be inserted in the hash table 73. Bucket of the hash table which key 73 Mbps mod 7 equal to 3. So the key will be inserted in bucket in the 3 hash table. Next, key will be inserted in the hash table 101 bucket of the hash table to which key 101 map mod 7 by equal to 3 by the bucket 3 is already occupied. So collision occurs, separate chaining and handle, create a linked list bucket 3. So key 101 will be inserted in the hash table. Thank you friends for watching this video.